Hi there! In this part we are going to learn how to update the task making it done or undone. If we press the checkbox, the isDone parameter must be true or false. Now we work with the update task block. So go to repository file. Here we implement the update task repository first. This update task receives a task object. And as usual, inside the try-catch block we work with the Firestore. First, I create the final variable and load the user collection of docs. And we search the needed task by the task ID and update it. I explain it one more time. We get the collection by the user email. For example, I got this collection of docs. We could have many docs here. And we find the task by the task ID. After that, we send the map of the task to the Firestore update function. And that's all. Save and close the file. Now go to the task block file. Here in the update task function, first we create a new task object. We use copy with to update the task. The prefix exclamation mark makes the isDone parameter vice versa. If it's true, the isDone parameter of the new task object will be false, or vice versa. And now we call the Firebase repository update function providing the updated task. And the final thing. I call the getAllTask event after updating the task. So, let's test it. Click the checkbox. I check the BLoC tests and uncheck them. It's working perfect. And pay attention. I only checked the task 1. Let's see them on Firestore. Here is the task 2, which is false. It means that is undone. And the isDone parameter of the task 1 is true. I check also the task 2. And you see the red color here? That is updated on Firestore. Here it is. We hope that everything that we are teaching you is clear, that you are learning everything thoroughly. That's all for this part. Ta-ta for now!